Think solar panels are your only option for off-grid power. Think again. These 7 power generation methods cost under $100 each and can keep your essential devices running without a single solar cell. Some of these have been powering remote communities for decades, and one of them can generate electricity using nothing but gravity. I'm going to show you 7 proven ways to generate electricity off-grid for under $100 each. Whether you're building a remote cabin, preparing for emergencies, or just want backup power that doesn't rely on the sun, these methods will give you the energy independence you need. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build reliable power sources that work day and night, regardless of weather conditions. Method 1. Micro hydro generator. If you have any flowing water on your property, even a small stream, you can generate 24/7 power. A simple micro hydro setup using PVC pipe, a car alternator, and basic electronics costs around $75 and can produce 100 to 500 watts continuously. That's enough to charge batteries, run LED lights, and power small devices. The key is head pressure. Even a 3-foot drop can generate usable electricity. Method 2. Wind power generator. You can build a vertical axis wind generator for about $60 using magnets, copper wire, and basic materials. Unlike horizontal turbines, vertical designs work in low wind conditions and don't need to track wind direction. A 3-foot diameter unit can generate 50 to 200 watts in moderate wind. Perfect for charging 12-volt battery banks. Method 3. Exercise bike generator. Convert any old exercise bike into a power generator for around $40. Mount a car alternator to the wheel, add a voltage regulator, and you can generate 100 to 300 watts of power while getting exercise. 30 minutes of pedaling can charge enough batteries to run LED lights for hours. It's reliable, quiet, and gives you something productive to do during power outages. Method 4. Thermoelectric generator. These devices generate electricity from temperature differences and cost about $50 to build. Place one side on a heat source like a wood stove and the other in cool air or water. The temperature differential creates electricity through the Peltier effect. While output is modest at 10 to 50 watts, they work continuously as long as you maintain the temperature difference. Method 5. Biomass. Gasifier generator. Turn wood scraps into electricity for around $80. A simple gasifier burns wood or organic waste to produce combustible gas that runs a small engine connected to an alternator. This system can generate 200 to 800 watts and uses free fuel you can gather from your property. It's like having a wood-powered generator that runs on renewable resources. Method 6. Gravity battery system. This ingenious system stores energy mechanically and costs about $70 to build. Lift heavy weights using manual effort or other power sources, then let gravity slowly lower them through a gear system connected to a generator. One lift session can provide steady power for hours. It's completely silent and works regardless of weather conditions. Method 7. Hand crank generator. The ultimate backup power source costs only $30 to build. Using a car alternator, gear reduction system, and hand crank, you can generate 50 to 150 watts of immediate power whenever you need it. While it requires manual effort, it's perfect for emergency situations when other systems fail. 5 minutes of cranking can power radios, charge phones, or run LED lights for hours. The best strategy is combining multiple methods for redundancy. Start with whichever matches your location. Hydro if you have water flow, wind if you're in a breezy area, or exercise bike if you want reliable indoor power generation. These systems work together to create a robust off-grid power network that never depends on expensive solar panels. Which method fits your situation best? Drop a comment below and let me know what you're planning to build first. If this helped you discover new power options, hit that subscribe button, because next week I'm showing you how to build a complete battery bank system for under $300. You won't want to miss that one.